Hello everyone, my name is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to show you how to unbox FDB05 and have an initial setup. Thank you very much for choosing JBH scooter. Let's cut off the top of the straps and also the tap off, that we can open up the top of the carton, that we can take out the scooter easily. The best way that you can just find out the button of the scooter and then take the carton up, and then you can take out the units. It's really simple and easy. We have already got the FDB05 out of the carton right now. Please check you have a section here, a charger inside the box here, and then a user's manual pack with safety belt, user's manual, and some simple tools for you are available in the future. Let's start from the beginning of setting up the steering post. Simply just unscrew here, take out the knot, and then we insert it on both sides, the two holes here. There's a knot. On this side, there's a hole for the knot. We just insert the knot right inside the hole, and then we can just simply turn the knot to tight. Alright, steering post is already set. That allows us to take up the handlebar and then move it to the front. It's really simple and easy. Then we push the seat back up. One hand holds here and the other hand holds the top of the seat back, and then we can lift it up, and when you hear a sound click, it's done. Next, we can lift up the knob here that allow us to adjust the length of the scooter, depends on your body situation. There are 3 holes with 3 sections, allow your choices. Take out the battery. We take out the packing here. And then reset it inside the battery holder. Let's set the seat cushion on the top of the seat base here. This is a Velcro design on the back. You can find a Velcro here, and then here is shorter space, here is longer space. We keep the shorter distance to the front. Then we can get in the scooter, turn on the power, and then we can have a teeter adjustment from the knob. We just loosen the knob a little bit, and then we can adjust the right angle, depends on the size of your body. And then we turn the knob to tight when the position is fine. Adjust the suitable length of steering port here. We're almost ready to go. Turn the power on, adjust the right suitable speed. Pull the lever, we can go to the front, to the back, or turn right or left. It's really simple and easy. There are actually 2 ways for charging the battery. First, you can have direct charge with a dead-end wire connection. You can plug here on the rear side of the scooter for direct charge. Simply just connect to power source. The second way is the battery, that we need to take out the battery that allow you to have onboard charge. You can charge everywhere in your room or any restaurant. Just take away from the scooter. It's really convenient. Simply take out the plug of the charger here. You can find a groove and then an arrow here that you insert it to the charging port. You can connect to any power source you want. This is a very simple and easy to fold and only manual fold and unfold scooter. First, we need to lift up the knob here, and then we push the steering post to the front to the very end, and then we lock it. Take out the seat cushion. There is a bar here that we pull to the front, and then lower the seat base down, fold up the seat back. Finally, we just loose the knob here, and then have the steering post rest on the top of the scooter, and then we fold it. It's all set. Scooter is really light, where you can handle here and here to to take it up is really simple and easy. That's a simple way to unbox and also have an initial setup of the scooter. I hope you find it's really easy and simple because it's really compact. If you got any question, check out users menu or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Put a thumb up. Thank you very much.